Hello friends, today we will see how to insert line chart using Microsoft Excel. We know that line chart is used to represent the data over a continuous time span. So let us see how to insert line chart using Microsoft Excel. First, we will click on Start menu. Then click on All Programs. After that, click on Microsoft Office. Then click on Microsoft Excel. Then this Excel worksheet will be opened. Here we are going to insert a line chart. To insert the line chart, first we have to enter the data of which we want to draw the line chart. So here I will consider the data which I have entered already. So I will select the data from the another sheet and copy that data and paste in the required sheet. So this is the data of which I am going to draw the line chart. I will adjust the column width so that values will be clearly visible. So this is the rainfall in millimeter. We have 4 regions: Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada and Vidarbha. And this is the data of 5 years 2006 to 2010. We have values of rainfall in millimeters. So to insert the line chart, first of all, we will select the data. So select the data. After that, click on the Insert menu from the menu bar. So select the data and click on the Insert menu. Then under the chart group, various chart types are available, from which we will select the line chart. Under the line chart menu, various types of line charts are available here. As we move the mouse pointer over the chart types, we can see the explanation about the output of that line chart. You can see these types of line charts are available here. From that explanation, we can choose the line chart which we want to draw. Here I will select this fourth one line chart, which is line with markers. As we click on this type of a chart, this chart will be displayed on the screen. You can see this is the line chart with markers. So I will move this chart to one side and I will enlarge this chart. To enlarge the chart, move the mouse pointer to the 3 points which are available on the middle of each of the side, and as soon as the pointer changes into arrow, drag that arrow up to the point to which we want to enlarge the chart. These are the legends, that means the color of the lines with the labels. These are the years. From the legend we can see blue color line represents the values of rainfall for the Konkan and Goa region. This is the line which represents the values of rainfall for Konkan and Goa region. Similarly, red color represents the Madhya Maharashtra region. You can see this line for Madhya Maharashtra region, and green color represents the values for the Marathwada region, and violet color represents the values for the Vidarbha region. So in this way, using this legend, we can easily study the line chart. You can also see the values of the rainfall on this line chart. Let us see how to see these values. If you move the mouse pointer to the marker on that line, then you can see the region name as well as the value of the rainfall below that arrow. So in this way, you can see these values for each of the marker. So now we will see how to edit or modify this line chart using chart tool option. Under the chart tool option, we have three menus: design, layout and format. So we will see one by one. Let us start with the design menu. Under the design menu, we have the option of types. Under the types group, you can change the chart type from here or save as the template. So these are the two options available here. Using the change the chart type option, you can change the chart type from here. Under the data group, we have the option of switch rows and columns. Using this option, we can switch the role of the rows and columns. According to this change, this legend will also change. You can see now years are there in the legend. We will undo that change because we want the years on the x-axis. Using this select data option, we can select the data from the chart and we can apply the further changes on that selected data. Using this chart layout option, we can apply these ready-made layouts to the chart. These are some layouts which are made available here. Using chart style option, we can change the chart style. Here various styles are available. We can apply these styles to the chart. Now we will see the layout option. We can select the chart area from here. Using the insert option, we can insert the picture, shapes, text box in the chart. And now we will see the most important option, which is labels. Under the labels group, we have the option of chart title. Using this option, we can add the chart title to the given chart. So if we click on this option, we can see various formats of chart titles. We will select the chart title which is above the chart. So here we can add the chart title above the chart. So I will add the chart title as rainfall. Now similarly, we can add the axis titles using this menu. I will click on the primary horizontal axis and title below axis to give the title to the horizontal axis. So here we can see we can add the title to the horizontal axis. Also we can edit the title from here. Now I will select the primary vertical axis and here we can see various formats of vertical axis title are available, out of which I will select the horizontal type of title so that axis name will be displayed in the horizontal format. So I will type the title as rainfall in millimeters because vertical axis represents the values of the rainfall in millimeters. Now under the legend menu, I can move this legend to the right of the chart, left of the chart, top of the chart, bottom of the chart and so on. So you can see various options are available here to display the legend. I will select one of these. Suppose I will select display the legend at the top of the chart. So you can see legend will be displayed at the top of the chart. Using the data labels option, we can add the values of rainfall at the markers at various positions. Suppose we select the center position, so values of the rainfalls will be displayed at the center of each marker. Now using the data table option, we can insert the data table into the chart. Here you can see various options are also there to display the data table in the chart. Suppose I select the show the data table option, then this table will be displayed in the chart. So here you can see the table below the chart, but this makes the chart more congested. So I will remove that table so that chart will be more clear to us. Now under the axis group, we have the option of axis, under which using the primary horizontal axis, we can modify the horizontal axis, show from left to right, right to left and various options are there. Similarly, using primary vertical axis, we can change the scale of the values on the vertical axis. From the grid lines option, we can add the grid lines to the primary horizontal axis. Here, major grid lines, minor grid lines, and both the grid lines are available. So, if I select the major and minor grid lines, so these grid lines will be made available on the chart. Similarly, using the vertical axis option, we can add the vertical grid lines to the chart. So, now we will see the next option of the background. We are having the option of plot area. Here various formatting options are made available. Now, next option is of analysis. Using trend line, we can add the trend line to the chart area. Linear trend line, exponential trend line. These are the some options are available here. Using these lines, we can analyze the chart data. Suppose I select the linear trend line, then linear trend line will be made available on this chart. You can see this is the linear trend line for the Konkan and Goa region. Similarly, using the lines option, we can add the lines in the chart. Then I will select one type of the line, and you can see these types of lines will be made available on the chart area. Using the next option of the up-down bars, we can insert the bars instead of these lines in the chart. Select the up-down bars, click on that option. You can see these types of bars will be displayed in the chart. Now, next option is of error bars. Using the error bar option, we can insert the error bars in the chart. So these are the various types of layouts options are available here. Now we will quickly see the format menu. Under the format menu, we can select the area which we want to format. From here we can add the shape styles. Various shape styles are available here. We can see as we move the mouse pointer over these options, corresponding changes are made in the chart. Suppose I select one of these styles. Let us select this style. So we can see this style. We can add the shape fill, shape effects, and shape color from here. You can see shape outline, shape fill, and shape effects can be done from here. So these are the various types of formatting options are available under the chart tool option. Now we will see how to edit or modify the chart using the right click option. If we move the mouse pointer on any chart area and just right click on that area, then various types of formatting options will be made available to us. You can see cut, copy, paste, and font. These are the various types of formatting options are available. You can format the horizontal axis from here also. Just move the mouse pointer to the horizontal axis and right click and then modify the horizontal axis. Similarly, you can modify the vertical axis using right click option. So these are the various formatting options are available here also. If you move the mouse pointer to the marker and right click on that marker, you can edit the data series or the data table values from here. Also, if you move the mouse pointer to the legend and right click, you can edit the legend from here. So these are the legend options will be made available. Similarly, if you move the mouse pointer to the chart title and right click, then you can format the chart title from here also. So this is how you can edit or format the any chart area using right click option. So this is how we can insert the line chart for the given data, and we can format the chart or modify the chart using chart tool option and the right click option.